I started this business in 2019 with my partners from Indonesia, and my partners have been actually in this business for about 20 years, and one of our brands is Serip that we started. I mean, he brought into Indonesia about 15 years ago, 10, 15 years ago, and we feel that there's an opportunity in Singapore for us to expand and to grow the market in Southeast Asia, starting with Singapore. So this is why we took on the mono-brand showroom in Singapore and started in 2019 here. I think the key, unique proposition from Serip would be thinking of what's out there in the world and how do we differentiate ourselves from it. So what's common in the design world in terms of chandeliers and lighting will be something that are going down more the industrial processes of materials, industrial designs, shapes and forms. Serip believes to stand out from the crowd, to stand out from our competitors, would be to go down the route of having things that are opposite, things that are handmade, things that are organic, bring things that are natural, and more importantly, things that are highly personalized to our clients' needs and their emotions. I think that's something that's very important to Serip. Because at the end of the day, everything that we make with our design and with our hearts, with our ideas, it goes to someone's house. And ultimately, the client needs to be emotionally attached and connected with the piece that they purchase. The idea and the concept of everything is being handmade. But the technology that we use to bring in new collections, every year, every other year, we have new collections coming. We do put in a lot of new technologies and methods. So for example, we do 3D printing for a lot to be able to bring in new ideas and new collections and styles to test quickly and to see what works and what doesn't work. And this actually accelerated our innovation process a lot. But end of the day, after using the 3D printing processes to give us create the new collections, a new idea, we do still revert back to our artisanal roots to then make these products for the clients, for the end items. The current exciting project and product that we're really excited about will be our Origem collection. So it started off with an idea that Serip has always been working with glamorous natural items, trees, leaves, we're talking about branches, but nature is a lot more than that. So then what else is there? And what came to mind for us is marble. So working with Portuguese, keeping the theme of everything handmade and sourced from Portugal, we're working with the Extremos marble from Portugal. And the idea is to take this marble, which is hidden in the ground. Beautiful marble, but it hasn't really seen the light of day. So we've taken it from the ground and we've infused it and made it into a chandelier by giving life to it, putting light into it, putting our branches, our different organic shapes into it, and creating this collection to bring life to something that has been hidden for so long. The core design value of Serip is actually for organic finishes and designs. The concept is to move away from trend-based designs, things that come and go. That's why we chose nature to be our inspiration. It's something that doesn't change. As humans, we will always relate to nature and always believe, and we will always be wowed and glamoured by what nature can provide to us. So that's why Serip always keeps natural organic forms, shapes, concepts, and inspirations to drive our design. So that, for us, that's what we feel will be sustainable, both as a design point of view and also for a product point of view. And how do we, even with this organic design idea, we still have to stay ahead. How do we do that? So with this, we are employing brand new 3D printing technology, cutting edge stuff. And this tool we have realized, and it's really opened up the minds of our designers, given us a lot more options, shapes, styles, and make everything a lot quicker. And it also improves the morale of the designer to be able to create what they have in mind and make it and see if it works. See what works and what doesn't work very quickly. And from there, we'll be able to bring to market new collections and keep the excitement going for the brand. Asia right now is the market to be in. We have both the potential for growth for the people, for design, for projects, and the market as a whole is enormous. So, and Singapore is poised to be at the very forefront of this growth. And the Fine Design Fair, based in Singapore, has been here for 3 years and been growing, getting better and better over the past 3 years. We find that this is absolutely the platform we want to be for our brand, for us to reach out to the market in Singapore and in Southeast Asia.